Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect Gemini AI to n8n for free with a complete step-by-step guide. n8n is a powerful, free automation tool, and connecting it with Gemini is simple using the free Gemini API. Let's get started. First, go to astudio.google.com, sign in with your Google account, and create a free API key. Copy and save that key. Now open your n8n, whether it's desktop, self-hosted, or cloud. Create a new workflow. Search for the Google Gemini node and add it. Click on the node, go to Credentials, create new credentials, paste your Gemini API key, and save. Select a model like Gemini 2.5 Flash. Connect the Gemini node with other nodes like Webhook, Google Sheets, email, or Slack. Test the workflow by running it once. You can now build AI chatbots, content generators, and smart automations easily. The free Gemini API gives good daily limits for personal use. That's it. This is how you can connect Gemini AI to n8n for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.